When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you. Heartbreak so difficult to heal. Addicts know they're addicted. They know when they're shooting up. But heartbroken people do not. But you do now. But you do now. Trust what your mind is telling you. Is broken. You simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you.
I never see the lights out. They get me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the overdose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, you say it's killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is
done losing.